Let me ask you a question. Can a jewel ever truly belong to anyone, or does it carry the weight of every empire that sought to own it? The Kohinoor diamond, one of the world's most famous gemstones, embodies this paradox. For centuries, it has been a symbol of power, beauty, and betrayal. But which country, if any, can claim it as their own? Let's dive into its complex history. The Kohinoor's story begins in India, where it was likely mined from the Golconda mines during the 13th century. For centuries, it adorned the thrones of the Indian dynasties, including the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. It was with the Mughals that the Kohinoor gained its legendary status. By this account, India argues that the diamond is a part of their cultural heritage, stolen during the colonial exploitation. But wait, Afghanistan has its own claim. In 1739, Persian ruler Nadir Shah invaded India, looting the diamond along with the unimaginable riches. After Nadir Shah's assassination, the Kohinoor passed to Ahmad Shah Durrani, founder of modern Afghanistan. To Afghanistan, the Kohinoor represents its imperial past and was never rightfully ceded. Fast forward to 1813 and we find the diamond in the hands of Maharaja Ranjit Singh of Punjab. Raja Ranjit Singh acquired the Kohinoor from a dethroned Afghan king Shah Shuja through negotiation and some coercion. Punjab claims that the Kohinoor's rightful owners are the people of this historic region, now part of Pakistan. Finally, in 1849, the British annexed Punjab. As part of the Treaty of Lahore, the Kohinoor was handed over to Queen Victoria. The United Kingdom maintains that it legally obtained the diamond through this treaty, although critics argued that this was imperial theft. So who truly owns the Kohinoor? India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, or the UK? Each claim carries layers of history, loss, and pride. But here's the real question. Can a jewel, torn from its context, ever truly belong to anyone, or does it belong to the history itself? Let us know what you think in the comments below.